Seagrass meadows are incredibly productive and biodiverse systems. They're like a hidden wonder of our coastline, supporting our fisheries, protecting our coastlines, and helping to mitigate the problems of a changing climate. In the UK, we've unfortunately lost nearly 92% of our seagrass. The people of our planet need seagrass. Our planet needs seagrass. And in the face of a growing climate emergency, a nature crisis, and the problems of ensuring food security into the future, we need to fight back to stop the loss of seagrass and restore seagrass ecosystems so they're available for future generations. Seagrass restoration research and action is being led in the UK by our team at Swansea University in collaboration with a range of partners. This includes our homegrown Swansea marine conservation charity Project Seagrass. Since 2013, we've been conducting aquaria and field studies to create the UK's first major seagrass restoration programme. And over the last 2 years, we've planted well over 1 million seagrass seeds into a bay in West Wales. At Swansea, we're using the knowledge developed in these pilot experimental projects, where an abundance of lush seagrass now grows, to inspire the restoration of thousands of hectares of seagrass. Our science and innovation is leading the way in helping to guide further seagrass restoration projects in all corners of the UK.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.